November 15th, 2024, 7:11 a.m. Driving down Scottsdale Road. Couple plans. I'm gonna be not renewing that warehouse. So I got a month and a half left on it. I probably didn't need to get it. So another sort of mistake there, but I still would have had to, it kind of was easier, convenient in terms of getting stuff out of Offsite and over there. But with the copiers, I'm slowly closing the gap for that Gilbert Schools, getting the stuff closed. I think there's a good chance I'll be able to break even, which is good. But still, the printers, I can't get rid of them. So I may have to scrap them or see what I can do with selling pallets of them for cheap. But it's a thing. On a call with the consortium today. They've got me doing a quick little speaking thing. I think a short little, not 5 minutes of Scott Murr consulting. So consulting in terms of copier programs and stuff like that for storage and everything. I can go ahead and so I have to put some thoughts together on that. I got the first draft of the book written of the first part. So the book I've determined, I was thinking memo to self, but then as I kind of went on and on and on with it, I ended up landing on Worth the Hustle is the name. I kind of like it. It's been just an experience going through those old journals and back, I mean, a lot of it was 14 years ago to the month and starting out. So there's 900 pages in that journal. There's pictures and stuff like that too. And then all kinds of other pictures and videos that don't go in a journal. And so what I did was I stripped out the pictures and basically formatted it, found a book software that's online that I can put it in and kind of creates the manuscript on it. And so I've got it put together. It's about 45,000 words. And what I did was I just did from the start of Offsite to February of 2012. So not very much, but it's going to be a multiple book deal because otherwise that thing's going to be the size of a freaking phone book, or freaking dictionary, just too thick. So this way is actually better anyway. It puts it in bites for people. And with Renew Alert stuff really kicking off December 1st, I think it kind of gives me, and the Thanksgiving holiday coming up, this does give me that time to do that. And then also I'll go over and find that Regus office probably next week, see what I can do, because it's grinding on me a bit working out of the warehouse too, where just mentally for me between the ears, I'm sitting again all alone in a dirty little warehouse. So what I could do is get a more civilized, nice workspace where I feel good going to work and I'm around people, and at least go in and do that. Then I can work on transitioning all that stuff out of the warehouse by the end of December into a storage unit. So that'll kind of be a good plan there. Other than that, it's a nice little part of the drive in the morning. I do like going to the new warehouse, at least bikers. But it's a Phoenix. Botanical Gardens are on the left. Papago Park is on the right. I used to cross that hill over there every day going down to get out of the 202. Okay, past those bikers. You gotta watch out for bikers. These have a bike lane here. Otherwise, bikers just really push out into the road. It's pretty. This, I don't even know if it's a faster way to work for me, but it's nicer. It's relaxing. What Fashion Square would be nice for me because I don't live far from there. I could walk if I wanted to. I could ride a bike, drive too, but definitely takes more miles off the car. So that's it. This is the ride.